Okay, this is just a quick video journal that I just want to have kind of as a look back, but right now it's the 27th or 26th of March, and hopefully my dad doesn't hear me swear, but shit is going down. Shit is going down. The overnight success is coming for me. In the past about 6 days, I think I've got about 6 clients for my $150 program. Now, if you do the math, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of fucking money. And before that, I was really just struggling to get more than 2 at a time. But of course, I made one change and everything just starts flowing in. So it's beautiful, really. It's really beautiful to see it. All the hard work finally paying off. But I just want to make the channel because it's like you start getting new problems, you start getting different problems. I'm almost on about a $1,000 a month now. I'm genuinely getting close to that. And it still isn't enough for me. It's still not enough money for me. You always want more. You constantly always want more. And I 100% see this. I'm nowhere near satisfied. Every new sale now, every new guy I see message me saying, "Hey Sam, I just bought your program." It doesn't affect me because it feels normal for me, and it's just like I want more and more and more. I haven't bought anything yet, but first thing I'm gonna do is simply just like all these new stuff. I'm gonna just save the money. I'm not gonna spend it all straight away because that's essentially how you spend it on shit. But I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna put a lot of it, like more than half of it, into an emergency fund. Just basically put it into savings. And then the rest of that I'm gonna most likely hire a video editor with a proper full-time video editor. But you always want more. You just constantly always want more. Because now I'm thinking, okay, now I can afford like the best iPhone or whatever on finance. Completely easily, I can afford fancy tripod or GoPro, whatever I want like that. Easy. And it doesn't even feel that nice to me anymore. It's like the fantasy of these things you want is actually more enjoyable than getting the thing itself. Next thing I'm thinking of is just having enough money to go on trips abroad, to travel the world. That's the next thing I want to do. It's never enough. No. The crazy thing is that if I can just show you my habit tracker quickly. Yeah. Now if I show you my goals, that's how much money goal completely destroyed already. Yeah. My self-improvement ain't doing good right now. It's 1 in the morning at the moment, and I have to be about 6:30 in the morning, or 6 even, for a sales call. Not even a sales call, just a call with a client. So I used to calling it a sales call, and that's actually proper calls with proper clients, which is nice. But I am by no means consistent on my self-improvement. You probably saw I haven't meditated in ages. I haven't gone on my ice bath in ages. I haven't done any of that shit in ages. Yeah, at the same time, I'm fucking getting success. I'm basically still getting stuff done. I can't imagine what it would be like if I actually started being consistent on self-improvement and doing all this stuff while still working. It'd be crazy. Most like today, what was my day? I think like 4 hours of calls, and then a little bit of video editing, and a lot of it just wasted messing around really light work. Yeah, like on my way to the doctor's today, I was just on my phone, and it's like I got another sale while in the car, and it's just like shit, man. I've made most people's like daily wage while sitting in a car. And then talking to the doctor, it's like I'd already got another sale early that day. This is today, earlier today, and I was just like, I've made your daily wage more than your daily wage doing something I love. Working so much less hard than you are. It's crazy, man. It's genuinely crazy what online business can bring you. How long is this? I can't see. About 5 minutes. Yeah. It's genuinely crazy where this shit can take you, bro. It's just higher and higher levels. It's never enough. You always want more. You always want more. And it is nice to pursue for more. The game of entrepreneurship is fun. It's a very fun game. And it does bring you to beautiful places, but it's never enough. You never ever have enough. I think, I don't know, man. I was about to say I'll probably get to like 10k a month and retire. I don't know. That's never gonna happen. I can't ever hope for a means to an end. I can't ever hope for completion. Just seeing where life will bring me, you know. I think number one thing that could help me is definitely just quitting school. I think now that I'm making this much, I need to, and I'll wait for a few more sales to come just to be fully confident that I'm going to speak to my dad about it all, because he really knows about it, but I don't think he realises how much it actually is. So I'll speak to him now about it, not now, but like soon about it, and just ask him for permission to not study as hard, because I've got exams coming up, to not put as much time into studying. Because I'm already making it basically the minimum wage. If for someone working a full-time job at minimum wage, I'm basically making that right now. Yeah. Fuck, man. Fuck. There's just more sales coming in. The thing is, my YouTube is mostly dead as well. It's like my conversion rate is insanely high of like views to people buying my paid product. I think I'm at probably a 0.5% conversion rate. So 1 in 200 people, like 1 in 200 views equals a sale. Right now, I just need to, that's why I'm getting an editor. Get more views, focus on the content shit, man, but myself improvement and shit, all this shit is lacking, bro. But yeah, it's just a quick video journal for me personally to look back on it just to see how I'm doing, but yeah. Also, quickly, if you listen to this, look for the link in my bio, maybe, or on my main channel to join my paid product, my paid program, bro, because it will help you. How am I making all this money? It's through my paid program. Okay, I can help you to make more money in essentially the same way I'm doing it, bro. So yeah,